A very good morning, my dear students. So we have already started exercise 9.3 and we know very well how to add and how to subtract. Let us take one more question on subtraction and the exercise is 9.3. Let me read the question first. Subtract 3a in the bracket a plus b plus c minus 2b in the bracket a minus b plus c from 4c in the bracket minus a plus b plus c. Okay, now this is what we have to do. That means these two terms will be subtracting from this. So therefore these two terms will become minus. Clear? And this term will come here. So first we will simplify these two terms. After simplifying these two terms, then we will subtract from this term. Okay, now I have already done this here. See here, this is 4c in the bracket minus a plus b plus c is here. Then minus this term. Here it is. Thrice a plus b plus c minus twice b in the bracket a minus b plus c. Now, what we are supposed to do is we'll multiply now. 4c into minus a is minus 4ca. 4c into b is 4bc. 4c into c is 4c square. Minus is this minus. After that, 3a into a is 3a square. 3a into b is thrice ab. 3a into c is thrice ac. Minus 2b into a is minus twice ab. Minus into minus is plus. 2b into b is 2b square. Again, minus into plus is minus. 2b into c is minus twice bc. Now, this minus is again common here. Again, we'll multiply this minus. So what will happen? The sign will change. Here it is plus, here it is plus, here it is plus, here it is plus. All this plus will become minus and the minus will become plus. So let us do this. I'll drop this one. So here it is minus 4ca plus 4bc plus 4c square minus thrice a square minus ab minus thrice ac minus 2b square plus 2bc. Okay, now let me start with square terms. Minus thrice a square minus 2b square. These are two unlike terms. So there is no other a square here. So minus thrice a square minus twice b square. There is no c square. Sorry, there was a c square here. Yeah, there is a c square here. I forgot to write c square here. This is c square. So 4c square. This is c square here. After that, now minus ab and minus ab is single term. So let us write minus ab only. There is no minus ab here. After that, you have this 4bc and twice bc will give me 6bc. Then you have ca minus 4ca minus thrice ca will give me minus 7ac. Let me do one thing. Let me explain you once again this term. Otherwise you'll be confused. Let me write once again. This is minus thrice a square minus twice b square then plus 4c square. Now there is no a square, b square, c square here. So they are unlike terms, so we cannot do anything here. Correct? Now, similarly, there is no minus ab here. Only one minus ab is there. After that, the 2bc is there. 4bc plus 2bc. Let me bring together. 4bc plus 2bc. After that you have minus 4ca minus 3ca. Now let us write this once again. Minus thrice a square minus twice b square plus 4c square minus ab. This two will add, it will become 6bc. Both are minus. When both are minus, we add, but the answer is in minus. So minus 7ca. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Correct? So the same thing we have to follow here also. Thrice AB, thrice A square, thrice A square. Now see, thrice AB minus twice AB has become AB here. Alright, thrice AB minus twice AB has become AB here. Clear? So what we are supposed to do is, whenever there is a term, subtract the first term from the second term. So write the second term first, then give minus, then you write the first term, and this is how we have to carry this subtraction. Okay, so this is what we did on subtraction. Let me start the next exercise. Exercise 9.4, that is based on multiplication of binomials. Remember, whenever we do this kind of things, multiplication, binomial or monomial or trinomial, remember the laws of exponents. Question number 1, 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. Both are binomials. So we are multiplying one binomial with the other binomial. How to multiply? 2x in the bracket, 4x minus 3. Again plus 5 will come here. 4x minus 3. So 2 into 4 is 8. X into x is x square. 2 into 3 is 6x plus 20x minus 15. 8x square minus 6x plus 20x will give me 14x minus 15. So this is the answer. Clear? I think it's very easy, but remember the exponents. Here 1 plus 1 is 2, laws of exponents. 2x into 3 is minus 6x, plus 5 into 3 is minus 15, so like that. Okay, so this exercise 9.4 you can do. The question number 1 is very easy, it's not that difficult. Okay, my dear students, I think for today this much is enough. Keep on practicing. You will find this kind of algebra are not that difficult. Thank you and have a nice day.